Are these Jordan 8 playoffs even gonna sell out? A lot of OG sneakerheads love them. Well, the mass love them as well. Stick around to the end of this video because we're gonna do a full detailed review plus on feet for the Jordan 8 playoffs. If y'all enjoyed this video, please leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel and let me know what other type of content you would like to see or what other early pairs you would like me to buy to show you guys. But let's get to it. What's good, family? Today we have an early review for the Jordan 8 playoffs. These drop on September 30th and I wanted to get my hands on them early for you guys. I didn't manage to hit on the shock drop, but it's all good. Shout out to the homie So For Real on Instagram. He actually hooked me up with a pretty decent price on these. He's the reason I'm filming this video right now, but the box almost reminds me of a Jordan 10 box. It's like a vintage Jordan with the Nike Air. I got these in a size 10. Box reads black, true red, and white. Open this up. Plastic bag material for the paper. We got the 8s. Ooh, damn. I've never had a pair of 8s in my life, so I'm gonna pull these out. I'm actually excited to have these in the collection. Jordan 8s were always beautiful to me. I love this artistic touch that they have around the midsole. Let me pull out the other shoe real quick. Alright, y'all, so here we have them, the Jordan 8 playoffs. I've wanted this sneaker ever since I was a kid. Not even just in this colorway, the model in general. First time Michael Jordan wore this colorway was in 1993 in the playoffs when he got the 3-peat. There was 3 original colorways of the 8 if I'm not mistaken. We had the white and red Bugs Bunnies. Then you got the playoff colorway, which he obviously wore in the playoffs. There was also the aquas, which he wore in the NBA All-Star game. Out of all 3, these and the aquas are definitely my favorite. I honestly love this model. There's a different aesthetic when it comes to them, from the straps, 23 being right here, the fuzzy material, the inside. Before we talk about some of the details on this sneaker, these are set to release September 30th. We did see a shock drop a couple weeks ago and a lot of people actually managed to get their hands on them. I do feel like this is a sneaker that's gonna sell out, and if it doesn't, it would honestly surprise me. I don't really see these going on sale considering that it is a playoff colorway. Then again, we really just don't know. Let me know in the comments if you feel like this is gonna be a shoe that goes for under retail once they release. I don't think it will, but I wouldn't be surprised these days. These are gonna retail for $210, which is pretty steep, but at the end of the day, I feel like it's worth it for a sneaker like this. Now let's go over some of the details on the playoffs. The material you get around the toe box, this panel right here and here, is a little bit rougher than this nubuck you get around the guard on the straps. It also follows along the back. This is definitely smoother, but then on these panels you get more of like a rough style suede. You can see right here is like a flat, more rough suede. This is more brushable chambray 7s type of suede. Midsole has like a metallic graphite gray color. You also get the flat black on the outsole as well as the red with a little hit of purple on the front. On the other side you get a little hit of red on the back and the metallic graphite color going along the side. There's these abstract painting panels on the sides of the 8s, which is probably one of my favorite features on this model, as well as the outsole, which has the Jumpman in like this yellowish gold color, purplish blue, and the red as well. This is probably one of my favorite outsoles on any sneaker. On the tongue we get the Jumpman on this chenille style patch, 23 on the strap, and it does say Air Jordan on the Velcro. Velcro wraps around the back of the sneaker and you have Air Jordan on the other side. A lot of OG sneakerheads are hyped because it's the first time they bring these back with the red pull tab. They obviously have retro these if I'm not mistaken in 2013, and they didn't have the red pull tab. It was black on that one. I feel like the red definitely sets it off. It pulls together all the little red details on the sneaker. I know it's a minute detail, but OG sneakerheads love shit like that, so I definitely could appreciate the fact that this being my first time having the playoffs, it has the original pull tab on the back. Inner boot on the Jordan 8 is probably one of my favorite features on the sneaker. If this isn't giving y'all 90s vibes, I don't know what will. This is fire, bro. It's so simple, but it's so clean at the same time. You do see that Nike Air peeking out on the inside of these. From the outsole being so intricate, boot on these having all the abstract designs, the painting on the side. This is definitely the most detailed Jordan model. Let me know if I am wrong in the comments, but that's definitely how I feel. I just love the way they added the straps, artwork on the side. The bottom is different, the inside is different. Beautiful shoe. I'm so glad I'm able to review these for you guys. I decided to go size 10 on these. I was low-key debating on going 10.5 simply because of the boot on the inside, but I guess I'll have to see how they fit once I throw them on feet, which make sure you stay tuned for that till the end of the video. These definitely look clean with sweats. They look good with jeans. I'm excited to possibly get the Aqua 8s in these upcoming years. I definitely want to get my hands on those. For now, we got the Playoff 8s in all their glory. Beautiful sneaker. Let me know if you guys agree in the comments, or do you just sleep on 8s? I saw a couple pairs of 8s that are gonna be releasing soon that I might want to get my hands on, from the Soulflies and the ones that the Mariners were freaking. Those look clean too. These Playoff 8s are a hit in my opinion. I'm so glad I was able to add these to my collection. I do normally do a little montage lacing up the sneakers, but these already do come laced up. I wonder what these will look like without the strap. They low-key look like 7s without the strap. The inside of the strap is lined in leather as well. I wasn't expecting that, but I'm over here feeling around this shit. These are definitely clean. Let me know in the comments if you guys are going to be going for these on September 30th, which is this upcoming weekend. If you are, best of luck to you. I feel like it should be a fairly easy pickup. I know the shock drop wasn't that easy. I tried to get them. Official sneakers app release should probably be a little bit smoother. Also, if there's a JD exclusive access, go ahead and enter on that. Try to secure them wherever you can, because these are gonna go. I definitely feel that in my heart. It's a beautiful sneaker, and I'm honestly more excited to have something like this than like a satin bread one, because I already have so many ones. This is a completely new model for me. I feel like the Jordan 8 deserves more collabs too. If the right people touch the Jordan 8, would look clean, bro. Like imagine a Travis Scott Jordan 8 or a Amamanier Jordan 8. Definitely want to see more collabs on this model. I hope that is the case, because y'all know when Jordan brand brings one of their iconic colorways on a sneaker, it's because we might see some more buzz around it. At least that's what I'm hoping. We spoke enough about the sneaker. Let's go ahead and throw these on feet and see what they're looking like.
Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always finds his way back home, and it's so true.
Balance, find your balance. God said it's my talent. Sprinkle the season on the salad. Relieve my heart of malice. Hit my palace. Stroke my cactus. Ooh, don't wait.
Parked the days in and taking no days in. Don't need a vacation, I need a replacement. The lights out soon as we came in. Know the model, smoke some, drink some, pop one. Got your hand on my Glock while your ass ride shotgun.
That pretty much does it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what other content you would like to see coming soon. Whether it's more early sneakers, conspiracy videos, more sneaker content, streetwear content, whatever you would like to see or want me to film, leave it down below. Definitely will get to it. I promise y'all. I appreciate y'all for always showing love to the content. It never goes unnoticed. This is my 901 video, bro. I've been going crazy. I feel like my time has yet to come. I'm gonna just keep going hard and showing dedication to my passion, which is sneakers, fashion, and all that. A lot more things in the works. I'm definitely gonna try to keep going harder to see how far we can take it. If you do enjoy, make sure y'all share it with somebody, bro. Come on now. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in one of these 2 videos right here. That's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your history. I got a lot of fire content, and y'all be sleeping, so make sure y'all check one of these 2 videos out, and I'm gonna catch you there. Peace.